Thonamennde iya vhoramavili ndi yakusumbirana yofedza ine yakonfora nga Masipala uyu ubva chiasaino tendelano na Nelson Mandela Bay Promoters Association. Izwi kutevera mtangano wanga mavili wa fara la dzitshaka ka Thonamennde iyi vhoramavili wa ene fosanele magwaza udombara na Great Chinkwapulo wala Malawi ka vugwena kitekanya WBF Intercontinental Junior Featherweight. Vugwena ubu sina mutu ngamara msingweni ya kale tato bonokwane otuba vugwena WBF Junior Featherweight mahola magwaza wa mingwa ya fumbili sumbe urufenya nga sonda stetori avetsini na ulela vugwena alifasi.
You know, fighting home is giving me an advantage and disadvantage because, you know, as it is a vacant title, but for me, because I'm fighting home, it's like I'm defending the title, you know, because I'm defending the face of the Eastern Cape, the All Eastern Cape.
Tendelano ukati wa Masipala na walutanyi wa mutambo wa mavili yukatelaho na bvela vhoramavili wa wafumakadzi owe turula wa mingwa ya fumbili ina wa NFO udorana Emission Tunja wa mtata kaketikanya ugwena female Eastern Cape flyweight hune auna mutu vhoramavili ava vakutangana vuraru.
This fight we've been training for quite a very long time, since January actually. In fact, I've never been more fit than I actually am right now, so I'm quite prepared for her.
We're expecting fireworks. Our theme is Gumanzi Pants, yeah, we roof. This is the first of its kind, especially in Wesley Estate. We've never had a boxing tournament of this magnitude.
Masipala wavechera thungu mashiri ya milioni 5 sandambedzo katendelano iyo ungavana imwe tendelano hafu ine yangasvikelelwa vukati ya Masipala na valutanyi usikale.
Boxing is one of the instruments that we can use to combat crime in our areas and also doing drugs, because all boxers are going to be tested.
Thonamennde iyi idofara Wells Estate Multipurpose Center Motherwell ngasonda tikiti dzikuwanala nga mtengo uri vukati ya R100 na R250.